Here I have an X Note 4, and let me show you how to enter and exit fast boot mode on this device. First, hold down the power key for a few seconds, then choose power off and tap power off again to confirm. Afterwards, use the power key and volume down together, hold both for a few seconds. Release all keys as soon as fast boot mode appears on the screen. If you're in this mode, you can simply quit by long pressing the power key. Keep holding the power button for a long time. Release power as soon as the phone goes black. The device is switching off. Wait about 10 seconds, then hold down power key to switch it on again. Keep holding power, and now your phone is switching on. Excellent. As you can see, normal mode pops up, and now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.